Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best Adirondack Chairs is probably one of the most iconic and comfortable outdoor seating options available, and the Keter 2-pack Alpine Adirondack Chairs offer a fantastic blend of classic style and modern durability, making them a prime candidate for anyone looking to elevate their patio, deck, or backyard. Number 5. SERWALL Folding Adirondack Chair, Black. Tired of bulky outdoor furniture? Our folding Adirondack chair offers a convenient solution, easily storing away to save you space at home. Crafted from high-impact polystyrene, it mimics the look and feel of real wood. This material is weather-resistant, low-maintenance, and built to last longer than traditional wood. Enjoy a wider seat and broader armrests designed for superior comfort. It comfortably supports up to 380 pounds, ensuring a relaxing experience for everyone. Featuring advanced color retention technology, this chair is designed to resist fading, cracking, and peeling. It's made to endure harsh weather conditions beautifully. Get your chair ready in just 15 minutes. With simple instructions and only a few steps, you'll have a sturdy and durable folding Adirondack chair assembled in no time. Its classic and versatile design complements any patio, garden, or backyard. Enhance your outdoor living area with this stylish and functional seating. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you encounter any issues or need product care advice, our Amazon store is always here to help. What we like? If you're tight on space, this one is a game changer. Its folding design makes storage a breeze. If you want a chair that looks like wood but is way more durable and easier to care for, this is your pick. It also offers a wider seat for extra comfort. What people say? The chairs are made of durable resin that can withstand the elements. They are comfortable to sit in, even for extended periods. The chairs are easy to assemble and require no special tools. Number 4. POLYWOOD AD5030WH Classic Folding Adirondack Chair, White. This chair is engineered to endure various climates, from intense sun to harsh winters and strong winds. It's designed for durability in any weather condition. Crafted from our unique POLYWOOD lumber, it's made from recycled milk jugs and detergent bottles. This innovative material is both sustainable and robust. You can rely on its weatherproof construction. It won't splinter, crack, chip, peel, or rot, even when exposed to the elements. Storage is a breeze with its foldable design. It collapses flat, making transportation and storage incredibly convenient. Experience superior comfort with its contoured shape. It provides the relaxing seating you expect from a classic Adirondack chair. What we like? For eco-conscious buyers, this chair is made from recycled materials, which is fantastic. It's built to withstand all sorts of weather, so you don't have to worry about it. If you need something that folds flat for easy storage and transport, this is a great choice. What people say? The chairs are very sturdy and comfortable. They are made of durable resin that is weather-resistant. The chairs are easy to assemble and require no maintenance. Number 3. Keter Alpine Adirondack Resin Outdoor Patio Chair. Experience ultimate durability with our outdoor chair, crafted from rust-proof, all-weather polypropylene resin. It's built to withstand the elements, ensuring it won't warp, dent, rot, or fade. Relax in comfort with its spacious lounge seating, designed to support up to 350 pounds. It's the perfect spot to unwind after a long day. Enjoy your favorite beverage without worry, thanks to the convenient cup holder integrated into the armrest. It's ideal for the beach, pool, or simply lounging. This chair is perfect for any outdoor setting. Use it around the fire pit, on your front porch, as patio chairs, or for poolside relaxation. Setting up is a breeze with detailed instructions, and its lightweight design makes it easy to rearrange. You'll be relaxing in no time. Available in 3 trendy colors, you can mix and match to create your perfect outdoor oasis. Design a space that truly reflects your style. What we like? This chair is perfect for those who love convenience and durability. The built-in cup holder is a fantastic touch for relaxing by the pool or fire pit. If you want a chair that's easy to move around and won't rust or fade, this is the one for you. What people say? These chairs are very sturdy and comfortable. They are made of durable resin that will not rust or rot. The chairs are easy to assemble and require no maintenance. They are also stackable for easy storage. The Adirondack style is classic and timeless. The chairs are a great addition to any outdoor space. Number 2. Melucivi Adirondack Chair. Experience unmatched durability with our chair, crafted from high-impact polystyrene. It mimics the look of wood but offers superior longevity, resisting cracks, fading, and rot in any weather. Designed with your comfort in mind, its ergonomic 105 degrees angle helps relieve fatigue. Pair it with a cushion for a perfect, relaxing experience in your sunny courtyard. Never misplace your essentials again. This chair features a convenient, hidden cup holder under the armrest, keeping your drinks and phone easily accessible. Enjoy hassle-free upkeep. The special coating repels dust and mud, making cleaning simple. A quick wipe with soapy water or light sanding is all it takes. Whether by a warm campfire or in the cold outdoors, this chair is designed to withstand the elements. You can leave it outside without worry, enjoying its beauty year-round. What we like? If comfort is your top priority, this chair's ergonomic design with a 105 degrees inclination angle is ideal for relieving fatigue. The hidden cup holder keeps your essentials within reach without cluttering the look. If you desire a chair that's both stylish and incredibly comfortable for long lounging sessions, consider this option. What people say. The chairs are very sturdy and comfortable, made of durable resin that can withstand the elements. Assembly was straightforward, and the chairs feel solid once put together. The wide armrests are perfect for placing drinks or snacks, and the high back provides good support. Number 1. KINGYES Folding Adirondack Chair. Worried about storage? This chair features a convenient foldable mechanism, making it easy to store and relocate when not in use. Simply fold it away during the off-season to save valuable space. Crafted from premium HDPE material, it offers superior resistance to the elements. Enjoy long-term use without concerns about fading, cracking, or splintering, no matter the weather. Experience timeless charm with a modern twist. The unique cloud-inspired cut design on the backrest adds a touch of elegance and artistic flair to its classic shape. Designed for ultimate relaxation, its large seat, ergonomic backrest, and wide armrests provide a comfortable seating solution. It's built for rest, relaxation, and rejuvenation. Enjoy hassle-free assembly. With clear instructions and minimal steps, you can have your new chair ready in just 15 minutes. The beautiful wood grain texture mimics real wood without the upkeep. It adds natural elegance to any outdoor setting, from patios to poolside decks. We stand by our product with a 3-year after-sale service. Your satisfaction is our priority, so feel free to contact us with any questions. What we like? For those who appreciate the look of wood but want the durability of modern materials, this chair is a winner. Its unique cloud-inspired backrest adds a touch of elegance to your outdoor space. If you're looking for a chair that combines aesthetic appeal with all-weather resilience and a comfortable, oversized design, this is a fantastic selection. What people say. The chairs are made of durable resin that withstands the elements. They are comfortable to sit in, with a good back support and wide armrests. Assembly is straightforward and requires no special tools. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.